Hey, what's up? It's my voice. I want y'all to check out Liam Plays Blocks. I will even show you his thing on my tablet. So, as you can see, I'm going on my tablet right now. 52%. Come on, Liam Plays. There we go. Easy. He has his YouTube channel. He is one of my friends at school, bro. This is him. You can even hear me on the call right here if you listen closely. You can hear my voice. Hi guys. Listen here. That was me. I swear that was. Don't look at my face. That was actually me wearing the ear. Hi guys, what's up? That is him. That is him. He also has a YouTube channel, but yeah, it's gonna be it from my voice. I'll post my voice again tomorrow.
Yeah, what's up, yo? Swag mode loaded out.